Hello. I hope you like this angle. It's a lot of fun finding where to put the camera in the car and get some nice cool angles from it. Just a little suction cup mount, my Osmo Action 5, and paired with the DJI Mic 3. I'm honestly really happy with this setup. I need to start using it to its full potential more often. But then back again to where I want to go with all of this. I'm just going to keep capturing moments. I'm having a hard time with work, obviously. And just not getting out enough on my own. Need to catch up on life. But maybe you're interested in watching it. I'm actually really excited to see where this goes. And it's all a work in progress, obviously, and that's what I'm excited about. I'm excited to put to work. I'm excited to go edit it afterward. I'm not excited to find out what song to put in the background, but it's all in a day's work. I'm trying to capture more content, more media on the side, alongside working as well. Or maybe, and this is me being super future optimistic about if this goes well, is I just go full YouTube full time and just go have fun. I want to go travel. I want to go experience new places. I've been making a lot more pals on the car side, but I know there's a lot more to do outside from that as well. I want to have fun, and this is my way of doing so. I feel so corny talking to myself. I know my pals are gonna be like, "Who's this guy talking to? Who are you? Do you think you're better than us?" Like that Family Guy bit. Oh. It's a difficult subject. No, it's not difficult. It's just time consuming. I have the time. Well, on the weekends, not during work days. But maybe that's, like I said, I'm greedy, and maybe I make YouTube the full thing. I want to do car content. I want to go do traveling. I want to make money on the side. Obviously, that's the whole point, right? Is be self-employed. And this is going to be my way of doing it. It's just capturing who I am, what I do, and make the most of it. God, I feel so bad and corny talking to myself. And I'm trying to get better at it too, to be more comfortable speaking to the camera and to myself, obviously. I mean, who doesn't do that every day? It's a good self-reflection kind of thing. But enough of me ranting about me. I guess what I'm really saying in my mind right now is, what do you guys want to know? What do you guys want to see? Is there something that like captivates you to keep watching? Is there something that just hooks you to know that this guy's life is falling apart behind the camera? But I don't know. I guess I'm just trying to find a point to grab onto. And right now, I'm just doing it the way I know best. Just record and see what happens. We're going to change the camera angle real quick.
You simply cannot trust what your mind is telling you. broken. You simply cannot trust what your mind is telling you.
And as for my plans with the channel, I think I'm just gonna keep doing like a little daily vlog thing. I don't really have a theme yet. I don't have a story. I just have all these tools, but no plot. I'm just gonna go with the flow. We'll see what accumulates as I keep recording, keep capturing moments, and hope for the best. Obviously, I'm in it to make money. Who isn't nowadays? I got medical bills coming up. I got other bills, all the regular stuff, all life stuff. But the medical part is for sure the biggest one. I have an issue with my heart, actually. And I don't even know if I should be explaining it, but I need to tell somebody, and might as well be YouTube. I have a hole in my heart. Not emotionally, physically. I have atrial septal defect. It's where circulated blood is going back into the valve where it's unoxygenated, and it's causing my heart to pump harder, work harder, and it's actually overgrown quite a bit over the few years that I've known about it. It's just been insurance and appointments and all this backlog stuff that I can't keep up with. But I'm finally making progress, but there's still bills piling on for that. That's kind of the reason why I started. Maybe I thought I can make money on YouTube to pay for the medical stuff. But maybe I'm just greedy. I don't know. I bought this car so I could get my spark back, getting into media, getting into photography again, and getting out there and having fun. But I think this heart issue is just always in the back of my head, and it's not bothering me. I'm not I should be concerned. It's not weighing me down. It's there. I just know it's there, and I need to get it fixed. I have an MRI coming up and some other procedures coming up to figure out if I can get a small procedure done that'll patch it from the inside, or the most dramatic part being full-on open heart surgery. And then I don't even know if I should be explaining this. As much as information should be private nowadays and all that stuff, I really needed to vent about this. And who knows if it'll even go on YouTube anytime soon. But after that, I think we'll be in the clear. We'll be better. You should be in a better mood. And which I am now too. The car has been a big boost, but there's still bills and insurance for it. It takes me to all these fun adventures, all these little side quests. But we'll see where this goes. I'm happy to keep playing the game. I'm happy to get some activities done. I'm ready to move forward. Keep moving forward, they say. I don't know who I am in this situation yet. I just know I'm moving along as I go. I'm discovering what I want to do, who I want to be, and how I want to achieve it. I have all these little toys. I have a drone. I have a camera. A pretty good one too, actually. It's a Sony A7 IV that I've had for the past 4 years, but I've never used it to its full potential. Same thing with the Osmo Action Cam that I'm using now. And maybe I'm just opening up way too early, who knows? But that's what people like to see and hear, right? It's the shock value. Maybe people are interested in my life. I'm interested in my life. I want to know how it's going to go. But it's just a day at a time, right? That's why I like cruising. I like to ponder. I like to think to myself. Maybe it'll shape the way I am. I want to get into all this fun stuff, into TikTok, YouTube, getting views on Instagram, getting more content out there. We'll play the game. We'll figure out how it goes.